Hi, welcome back to Joe's Cooking.
With Joe.
Of course they know it's with Joe. What a dumb fucking title. Hi, welcome back to Joe's Cooking with Joe. Today's episode, we're going to be looking at the egg. Now these guys are some of the most universal foods in existence. You can hard boil them, scramble them, use them in cake and batter, in bread, sunny side up, over easy.
Omelets.
Omelets. Omelets, yeah, omelets.
Eggs Benedict.
That too.
I think they're used in almost all forms of baking.
What he said.
Muffins. That's encompassed in all forms of baking.
So even with all the different ways of cooking them, today we're going to be focusing on possibly the easiest and most simplest way for cooking an egg. Hard-boiled. To make hard-boiled eggs, you're going to need a pot, some hot water, and eggs. You're going to add water to cover the eggs, put it on the stove, and forget about it for a while. While these guys cook, we're going to take a break.
Hi everybody, welcome back to one of our favorite segments on the show. This is Car Sounds. On today's episode we're doing the 2017 Nissan Juke. Alright, let's get it going.
Oh, excuse me. And you see, we made some great hard-boiled eggs. I have to do it and salt them to taste. I prepared a recipe for Jack to show just how versatile eggs can really be.
So
Joe's.
Given us a little at-school meal plan snack to try, so we're gonna see how that works.
Now, a lot of people would think you have to cook an egg for it to be healthy and edible.
So Jack, what do you have there? Eggs. He gave us 2 raw eggs.
Just take a couple of these, put them in your pocket, you're ready to go.
Oh. Shit. Yeah, one of the eggs broke. Okay, we still have 1 egg left, that's fine.
A lot of people are hesitant to eat them raw, but really, there's nothing wrong with it. As you can see, eggs definitely are a super nutritious and versatile food. I hope you've been inspired by this episode of Joe's Cooking with Joe, and we'll hope we'll see you next time. And you know what they say,